Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hard reset your iPhone SE 2020 by using iTunes. In the very beginning you need just to open iTunes. You can download it from Apple website or Apple Store, it doesn't matter, and then we need to plug our phone into our PC. So just you can use a cable for it, just like this. Okay, then we need to come back to iTunes, click on your device and click here again, and now we need to choose Restore iPhone. So just click on it. So they are asking you about backup, so in our case we don't need to backup, and click Restore. So just wait a moment. Okay, now our iPhone is preparing for restore. Okay, now we are waiting for iPhone. Okay, then just click OK, and there you go. You have made a hard reset on your iPhone. Just wait a moment. And that's all. Okay, so the iOS was installed already. Here we can decide to restore from backup or maybe set up as a new iPhone. So in our case I will choose as a new iPhone, click continue and get started. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.